After casting 5 seasons, Nonku Williams has decided to bow down from the Real Housewives of Durban.
20 years, people must go to school. The children must go to work.
Only money that I want.
And to hurt people?
Yeah, the people, I will show you with your last born.
Hi, it's your family. Welcome to All Trending Mzansi. Batsana Bomkosi Nonku Williams joined the reality show back in 2021 together with many pretty and beautiful housewives of Durban, namely Uayanda Ngwane, Abomabusi Nabola Chongo, and Londi London. Some of those reality stars have already left the show a while back, but Bandla Siyazi Tina Unonku Williams remained for a longer time. And of course, the announcement that she made on her Instagram page was of course shocking, but because Bandla, we were definitely not expecting that. She carried the show. On that announcement, but she announced that she is departing from the show and she will not even return to the reunion. She is tired of how toxic the show is and how every time they have to constantly put another woman down just to create drama and to create a drama that will bring more views. Ooh, bethunana. I wonder kwenzakalani behind the scenes of many reality shows. But we've seen how Unonku grew in the show and also the drama that unfolded between her and Uayanda Ngwane regarding the baby that Sfiso Ngwane had with, of course, Usisi Lana. But Aibandla, out of all of those things, we've seen how much she grew in the show. Announcing her departure is indeed a shock, but I'm still wondering ukuthi ayibandla kwenzakaleni. But ngiyafunga mina kusazovela ukuthi yini eyenze ukuthi usisi decide ukushiya laphana. Please do leave your comments down below. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. Catch you on my next one. Thank you for watching. Bye.